We live in an endless universe, with no edge, no end. It is a single living system filled with billions of galaxies we know almost nothing about. We don't even know much about our own galaxy, the Milky Way. We still divide the Earth. Nations still fight. People still kill each other over ideas. And our planet is just a tiny speck in this infinite space. If you look at everything from far enough away, one thing becomes clear. All our wars and fears are nothing. Everything that feels important here on the surface loses its meaning when you see the scale of the universe. We live as if we have time to hate, as if we have the right to believe we are the center of everything. But space shows us something else. When a human first flew beyond the atmosphere, they realized there are no borders. No line separates people into enemies and friends. There is only one Earth, small, fragile, unprotected. And we are part of it. Many astronauts said that after seeing the planet from space, they could never look at it the same way again. Some said they felt pure awareness. Some felt an invisible connection with all people. This is called the overview effect. The moment when it becomes clear that all life is interconnected, that everything is one process, one breath. The greatest minds in history understood this long before the first flights. They left us words that have never lost their power. Albert Einstein said, "A human being is part of the whole called by us universe, a part limited in time and space." Carl Sagan wrote, "We are a way for the universe to know itself." Buddha, 5 centuries before our era, taught, "All phenomena are connected. There is no separate self, only the movement of life." Lao Tzu, 2,500 years ago, said, "Man follows the earth follows the sky follows the Tao follows its own nature." And even in ancient Greece, many centuries before telescopes, people knew that the most important journey is the journey within. On the Temple of Apollo in Delphi, there was a simple inscription, "Know yourself." These words still sound powerful today, because when you truly know yourself, you start to see you are not a separate being. You are part of everything. From orbit, there is no difference between rich and poor, between countries and nations. You see one world, one home. We often forget this because we are too busy with our roles and our fears. It feels like if we don't fight for power and resources, we will be destroyed. That if we don't divide, we will be divided. But the truth is, all of this is just an illusion. And it disappears when you look at Earth from the outside. Everything that happens here is just a moment. No empire, no ideology is forever. But life itself